Okay, YouTubers, I have an old Brave log splitter. It's got a leaky hydraulic cylinder. I'm trying to rebuild it and spend as least amount of money on this thing as I can. So, to get this snap ring, there's a snap ring in here. To get that out, you got to pound. They call it this gland. I guess I made a little piece of aluminum. Put it in there like so. Get a piece of pipe. Put it on there. And beat this down until you expose this O-ring. There's my homemade tools. Got a little piece of aluminum so I don't bang up the aluminum gland. I got this piece of pipe and a nice homemade hammer. So you beat this down so you expose this large O-ring. And you got to get a screwdriver in there and pry that out. Okay, there's the snap ring popped out. Now we got to get the gland out. Okay, you need to anchor the cylinder back in the cradle. Put some rag or rubber on the here, and I put the wedge back on and beat on it with a really large hammer. Be very careful not to hit yourself or drive your piston over into your car. Don't do that. Okay, so it's out. Once you get the snap ring out, and a lot of force, you can get two guys and keep pulling on here and banging on it, and it'll usually come out. But I used this not so large hammer and just hit right here. Watch your piston. You don't mar up your piston. All right, it's out. Still out.